Welcome to Jethro's Garage. How y'all doing today? So last month I did a pawn shop haul video, and well, guess what? I got another one this month. I actually found some pretty decent stuff this month. So y'all hang in there and stay tuned, and I'll show you what I picked up. Y'all ready to look through this stuff? Good. Let's see. I hope y'all can hear me pretty good. I got my little microphone here. I got my fan going and trying to keep warm. But, so I went to 3 pawn shops. I didn't buy anything at one, but 2 of them I bought a few things. Got some real good deals and I got some okay deals. So first we're going to start at the first pawn shop. Oh, and then I went to a tool store and bought some used tools. So I got some pretty good deals there too. I'm going to start with the Craftsman sets. The first pawn shop that I went to, I got these 1/4-inch drive Craftsman sets. Both of them are made in America. They're later made in the USA, but they're still made in America. $4.99 a piece, $5 a piece, and they're complete. Let me show you. They're pretty nice kits. Like I said, they're complete. They're all made in America. Need a little bit of cleaning to do. They are some, I guess they're probably some of the last ones made in America. They got a pretty high number, like, you know, V series is pretty early. These are G, let's see, where is it? G3, G2, G3. Let's see if we can actually get that to focus. I doubt we're going to get it to focus. But anyway, y'all get what I'm talking about. So got those $4.99 a piece. I couldn't believe that they had them, and I mean, they're 1/4-inch drives. You never know who's going to pick them up. They come with just this little bitty extension. But I thought they were cool, and I thought they were a great price. I'm going to do a little more cleaning on them and probably put them up. At the same pawn shop, I got this 3/8-inch drive Craftsman set. You know, this wasn't, this was $4.99 as well. It wasn't the greatest thing. It's not American made Craftsman, but still, it's a pretty decent kit. For $5. So there's that. That's what I got at the first place. Then I went across the road and I picked up these 3 things. So first is an American made SK model 42475. It's a round head ratchet. It's a little sloppy. Let's see if you can hear it. It's a little sloppy. I need to take it apart and see what I can do with it. But it should be okay. It looks all there. I paid $4.50 for that thing. It's a, like I said, it's a good looking little ratchet, nice and clean. And I think it's fine tooth. Not sure. It's pretty rough. So as I'm going, I'm gonna, you know, once I get it cleaned up, I might do a review in it and actually clean it up for everybody while I'm doing it. And we'll see if we can't get it right. Next thing I got is this strong hand pipe clamp. This was very nice. I didn't get a smoking hot deal on it, but it was an okay deal. I think I paid 15, and it's practically brand new. I think I could have got it from Amazon for $19. So not bad. They paid too much for it, and they had it marked to $29, and I showed them that, you know, that was a little bit too much, and they marked it down a little bit for me. Wasn't a great markdown, but it is what it is. These things come in handy. I'll put the model number in the description if you're wanting to look at them. And the last thing I got, and I'm pretty proud of these. These wasn't a bad price either. It seems like they're expensive, but a snap-on set of Allen head. And these are the gold. They're metric. And I feel these were a doggone good price. $70 for tax. It's got the little magnetic tray. Very nice. All of them are in pretty decent shape, so I don't have to worry about going and trying to warranty anything out. From 3 millimeter up to 10, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that should be how it is. Really nice set. I don't know what the retail is on those. They are very nice. I've got a set of long shank of these. And now I've got these shorter ones. So that was my second stop. My third stop, I didn't pick anything up. So my fourth stop, I went by Tool Time, and I picked up 4 tools, plus got my 3/4 inch drive that he refurbished a little bit for me. First tool is this Blue Point hose pinch off. You see there, I paid $25 for it. So it just, you clamp it down. I gotta be careful with this. You clamp it down, and well, I need to get it caught a little tighter. Clamp it down and it holds, okay? Then you release. It just holds. There's no ratcheting action or nothing to try to release it. I've got another pair that's ratcheting. Very nice. I'm not sure what these cost. I didn't look them up, but I'm pretty sure I got a decent deal. I think these are made by Lyle, but they're vacuum hose pliers. They're pretty nice. $5 for these, made in America. And then, ladies' foot, crow's foot, ladies' foot. This is a snap-on, model 1650, made in America. It's been a little bit on the end, but that's okay. And last but not least, I've talked about these before, and I didn't have a set myself. Tappet extractors. They had these used for $80, new 156. This is a 8-piece set. No, it's a 6-piece set, I'm sorry. Let me give you a better look at that. Very nice, all of them still good condition. Made by Wilton. Very nice to have in your toolkit. Let me get this up here, see if we can't do a little bit. So you embed, let's see. You embed this in your tool, in the end of the tap, and then you move this all the way up as close as you can to it, and then you pull it out. So that's sort of how that works. Like I said, they're handy to have around. They're easy to break, so you got to be careful. But so that's it for my foray into the pawn shops this month. I tried to stay out of them, but I've got an addiction. So hey, there's deals to be had out there. Keep your eyes open. I found a few more deals, but I wouldn't really. I wasn't sure I wanted to buy them. I'll tell you one that I'm on the fence about, and it's Mac RBRT Torx. They've got a set there. I can't tell you how big they are. It's like a 10, 12 piece set at one pawn shop, and it's 99 bucks. I've got to look and call my dealer and find out how much they are. Like I said, I've been on the fence about it. And there's 9 large wrenches that they got at this pawn shop, but they want like $650 for them. They're snap-on. And then the third is, I think it's an 8-piece cabinet and screwdriver set, snap-on, and it is 175 bucks. They're the long, so I think there's 4 Phillips and 4 flathead, and they're the real long screwdrivers. But other than that, hey, I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Take care.